my stupid small West Village one bedroom into a smart small West Village one bedroom apartment. I'm not a morning person at all, so I got these gadgets that transform any curtains into smart ones. Yes, I am that lazy, and I love being able to control my curtains with just my phone or voice. Plus, you can set timers for them to close at night and open at sunrise so you can wake up to that sweet, precious natural light. Next up, I've been using these cheap but amazing smart plugs since 2019 and have just kept buying more of them over the years. These let me turn any device with an AC plug into a smart one, but my favorite use is having it turn on my normal coffee maker in the morning so I can always wake up to a fresh pot of coffee. Turning my stupid small West Village apartment into a smart small West Village apartment, part 2. So upgrading my lights to smart lights is probably the most practical renter-friendly change I've made. I got the starter pack of bulbs in May and I've added a few more things since. Setup's always been painless, it's super reliable, the colors are great, and it syncs with a ton of options, so I can control the lights with my voice, remotes, or my phone to customize them in any way whenever I want to shift the mood. I can also have the lights turn on when I get home and change to a cold white to a warmer hue when I'm getting ready to go to bed. Plus, LED lights actually use less energy and last longer than normal bulbs, making my home way more energy efficient. Amazon home favorites. So I spent so long looking for the perfect budget-friendly bar cart, and this one ticked all the boxes for me. Not only is it sturdy and easy to assemble, but the 3 shelves cleverly maximize storage space without taking up a lot of room. You see, this top shelf is perfect for displaying your barware and glassware, and personally, I prefer wood over glass bar carts just because I like the feel of it more than glass on glass. Is that just me? Whatever. Anyway, in the middle shelf is this space-saving wine rack, and this deep bottom shelf easily stores all my bottles no matter the size. And it even has an optional rack for wine glasses. Plus, 2 of its 4 wheels can lock into place to prevent unwanted sliding, and that top shelf is actually a removable serving tray. All in all, this thing is handy when I have guests over and also just for simple access after a long day. And it was really the perfect addition to my home. Turning my stupid small West Village one bedroom into a smart small West Village one bedroom apartment, part 3. So because I don't have a few $1,000,000 to outright buy my unit, I'm really into renter-friendly hacks, which is why I have 4 of these clever little gadgets. This switch box can turn on or off anything that has a switch or a button, which is perfect for automating so many things in my home. I have one for my door buzzer, my kitchen light, an overhead light, and my closet light. And you can control it through the app, schedule it to activate at a specific time, and you can also control it with your voice. Alexa, turn off the kitchen light. This mid-century modern coffee table I got on Amazon is the best. It's got a hidden compartment for storage, it's way more affordable than the competition, and you can use the sliding top as a table while you eat or for working on your laptop while you cry. Turning my stupid small West Village one bedroom into a smart small West Village one bedroom apartment, part 4. So I hate setting timers and googling how many ounces are in a cup while I cook, which is why I got this under cabinet mount to ask an Amazon Echo in my kitchen. And I love listening to music while I shower, so I also keep one in this space-saving outlet holder in my bathroom. I'm still not a morning person, so I use an Echo Show by my bed to listen to white noise, set alarms, and hear the weather while I get dressed. I keep 3 Echoes in my living room for a Spotify surround sound, where are you? And to control my TV and Xbox, and I sync all my Alexas together to voice control everything in this series so far. Amazon home favorites. So this is actually one of my favorite purchases under 20 bucks. It's a low profile surge protector that has 6 pivoting outlets, which makes it useful for spaces without a lot of plugs and for tight spaces behind furniture. But unlike extension cords and power strips, surge protectors will always have a specialized circuit to protect your devices, so if there's ever a severe enough surge, this thing will essentially sacrifice itself by breaking the circuit to save everything else. And at its over 1,000 joules of protection, this thing can more than handle small electronics, office gear, and more. I'll have a link to it in my bio.
Okay, this is actually a really good idea. This is actually really a good idea. This is smart.
When right in front of it, in the warm New York 4 o'clock light, we are drifting back and forth between each other like a tree breathing through its spectacles.
I feel like the more your place feels like a home, you don't mind being at home. Does that make sense? Like, a lot of people who are always out all the time, they gotta go to the club every weekend, gotta go out every after work to the bar. I feel like that's because your place not comfortable. You know what I'm saying? Like your place don't feel like a home. Like, I don't have to go out because everything I need is at my house, okay?